Here at GE Appliances, we bring good things to life. And our mission is, how do we bring happiness and well-being into everyone's home? What we're really looking for is to solve consumers' problems, to deliver on their needs, and to find innovative solutions to solve those issues for them. And having leading companies like Microban helps us provide solutions for those consumers so they can lead a better life, we can grow, and we can deliver on our promise to our customers and our consumers. As we develop our new front load washer to eliminate the mold and stink that people see in their products today, we want to work with Microban because they're a leader in these technologies, antimicrobial materials, odor control solutions, so that way we're delivering a great product to people so that they have peace of mind about the products that they have in their home today.